Hi, this is Ed again. I'm still working on Victoria's ring. I'm going to put a little solder on the end of this gold wire, and then we'll get it into its final shape. I want to put a little flux on it first. Some silver paste. Solder it up. No, heat it up just a tip. Okay. Remember, it's hot. Copper tongs. Okay, so now I have the basic length of the wire. And what we're going to do is we'll go there and we'll straighten it out. Now that it's real soft, we can straighten it out and then begin to form it around the mandrel again, shape it, keep it nice and uniform all the way around the stone, and try to get the two ends of it to meet. And then we're going to solder those together.